Hello everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy and quick snowflakes. You can use them in decoration, in gift wrapping, or anything else you can think of. For this project I'm using number 4 medium weight yarn with a 5.5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with the slip knot. You can start with the magic ring if you want to. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, slip stitch into the first chain to join. For round 1, we're going to start by chaining 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 stands as the first double crochet. Go ahead and work one more double crochet back into that ring. Here we have 2 double crochets. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 2 double crochets into the ring. I am holding on to the yarn tail so I can work it in. Here's one, and go back into the ring and work your second double crochet. Let's repeat. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 2 double crochets back into the ring. Here's one, and work one more double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work 2 double crochets back into the ring. Continue working like this, and at the end you should have 6 chain 3 spaces with 2 double crochets in between. Here I'm coming to the end of round 1 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain 3 spaces, and here I chain 3, and to end I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch on top of the third chain at the beginning of the round. And now I should have 6 chain 3 spaces. For round 2, we're going to slip stitch using this double crochet right on top of it, slip stitch, and slip stitch one more time to get to the chain 3 space. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch back into that chain 3 space. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch back into that same chain 3 space. Now we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slip stitch back into that chain 3 space. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch back into that chain 3 space. And one more time, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go ahead and slip stitch back into that same chain 3 space. This is how it looks like. And we're going to continue. Now we need to get to the next chain 3 space, and to do that we need to slip stitch right on top of this double crochet. So go ahead and slip stitch. And slip stitch one more time on top of this double crochet. Now slip stitch into the chain 3 space. And now we're just going to repeat same thing what we did here. We're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, slip stitch back into that same chain 3 space. And now we're just going to go ahead and slip stitch using the double crochets right on top of them, and then slip stitch into the chain 3 space and just repeat what we did here all around, and I'll meet you at the end to show you how to end this round. Here I finished working on round 2, and to end this round all we're going to do is just slip stitch right on top of this chain 3 that we did in the beginning of round 1. Go ahead and slip stitch into that space, and you can fasten up and cut your yarn. Pull out your hook, tighten it, and here's your snowflake. Let's go ahead and work on our yarn tails. For this one, all I'm going to do is use this slip stitches that we did. Use the stitches on the back, loops, pick them up, insert your needle and pull through. Now come back where we started using the same back loops. You can drop one. And now one more time, dropping one loop. I'm going to come back. And here we finished with this one. Go ahead and cut your yarn tail. And now we're going to repeat same thing to this one. You can tighten it a little bit by pulling on this yarn tail. And now same thing, we're going to use the double crochets, back loops only. Insert your needle, pull through. I'm not using that many back loops. Now again, come back where we started. Pull through, and one more time drop one loop and come back, and you are done. You can cut this yarn tail. Here I cut a 6-inch piece of yarn, and to hang my snowflake I'm just going to use this chain 7 space right here. It doesn't matter which one. Insert your yarn and we're going to knot it. And you can cut this yarn pieces or yarn tails, and you're done. You can hang your snowflake. And here are finished snowflakes. Don't forget to block them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.